Good afternoon, Simon here. Right now, it's a special day. It's different. It's not gonna be a race. We're not in the mountains, but we're in a gym. It's called Pretty Huge Obstacles. It's a gym for people who are aspiring to do obstacle course rating here. I'm pointing it out. Give you a little tour later. There's good people of all levels, whether you're a beginner or athlete. It's a perfect place for you to train. Okay, so this is the entrance to the gym, and she also caters to kids. Let's need someone to help me out with the tour. Excuse me, Ron. Can I bother you for a bit?
Sure.
What we're doing is trying to make a tour of this gym, and we need someone to help us out with demo on the obstacles. Can you help us?
Yeah, surely.
All right, man. Thanks. As promised, I was able to get my crew. Here's Ron, saw him earlier, and Snake. He's also from Nomad. They're both from Nomad. So we're gonna do the tour here, and these guys are gonna help me out demonstrating each obstacle. Start with one of the basic obstacles. It's called hurdles. Usually, this is one of the first few obstacles when you do Spartan race, whether it's sprint, super, or beast, or ultra. This usually comes first. It's the wall. This is a 3 feet wall, but basically, since you don't have the other wall, we'll use two obstacles incorporate to one. But basically, in Spartan race, if you're doing Spartan, you have to scale a wall first, and then go to the second wall, go under, and then go to the third wall, which is this one, go through. It's called out. Over, under, and through. For this one, it's a 6 feet wall. Yeah. Okay, we're almost done with the simple obstacles. Next one is slip wall. This is tricky when it's wet, obviously, because it's slip wall. When we did Spartan race last year, a lot of people had a hard time going up. Yes, and there were lines, and people were doing pyramids just to get their teammates up.
And it gets hot because it's metal.
Oh yeah, yeah. It's made of metal. The one they use in Spartan race, you can get toast with that. This one's made of wood, but it's still a good practice so people can get an idea what it's like. Ron, demonstrate please. The length of the rope varies from time to time. It can be longer, can be shorter. Most of the time it's shorter than this one. But usually the one in Spartan is I think higher than this one. But this one's, the gap is farther. It gets scary when you're in the top. So people have a hard time traversing to the other side. So Nate's gonna show us the safer way of doing it. So you hugged it first. That's a safe way. Because if you're vertically challenged, it's a good way of landing safely.
Yeah.
And if you're cramping too, that's a good way. Well done.
Thanks.
He's using his body weight all the way down. I think the weight, what's the weight again in Spartan? 100 plus, right? For men. For women, it's just probably like 80, I think. I may be wrong. I'll put it here. Okay, oh yeah, here. See, you see Nate just stepped on the rope. See, he got tired halfway, and then for safety reasons, he just stepped on it. The same thing going down too. Otherwise, you'll drop it, you get penalized.
Burpees.
Woo!
Burpees.
Woo! Okay, 30 burpees, not fun. See, you have to do it slowly. That's the rule. Show us, Nate, how to do it. Nate's showing us the swing method. Ring the bell. Good job. One, you can choose any of the holds, and sometimes you can choose to either step on the wall, which is easier, or not. Ring the bell. You just carry it any way you want. Put it in your back, put it in your front, put it in your side. Just as long as you carry it, very comfortable. Yep, there you go. This is a way of carrying the bucket. Now you can put it on your shoulder, put it in your head, put it in your back. You can hold it sideways or whatever. You can invert it. Just don't throw it. Don't spill the materials. So basically, you just have to walk a certain distance. Could be a few hundred meters, or it depends on Spartan. This is the second floor. There's a track here, a 100-meter track, and these guys are about to start doing the training. So it's nice here that you can simulate the race. They can build a program for you. Do obstacles, then run, then do an obstacle again, just like you're in Spartan race. And the rest of the obstacle we didn't cover was for other kinds of races, like this one, the warp ball. It's for ninja, and this one, more complicated, which we'll feature in another video. Cheers, man.
You are on Phoenix Radio. Hello.
Soon.
Yeah, sure.
We have Coach Stolitz here. Yep. And we have Iya. Hi, Iya. And then we have Aga here. Here's Lisa and Angel. Okay, we see Coach Tolitz. Tolitz, one of the best ultra trail runners in the country. Now he works here, training this fired up lads. Okay, we have Randy here. What's up, Randy? So we got a strength and conditioning class here too. Have the boys doing obstacle efficiency. That means they're gonna do one round of all obstacles here. Here's got Alex, got Ariel, Aga, Mon, and you have Amir and Jeff. Hey, you! Are you joining? No excuses. Here's Beef, also known as Wellington. What's up, guys?